Hello, Jim Tagboat's new product from Linogy. It's a new product on Kickstarter and it is a 8-day battery charger. We've got some batteries here, as you can see, and this is what it looks like here. Batteries charged, 7, CO2 reduction, all that stuff. AA, AAA, lithium-ion and NIMH batteries. That's pretty much it on the box. Let's go. So when we open up, we get a note saying the packaging is plastic free and tape free. Some user guides and the product itself. And that is it there. So in here is a drawer, and what we've got in here is our cable, USB-C, USB-C. Batteries will pop in there, you can see inside here. And you've got a display up front. Now I'm just going to put this back in. Remove that. And we'll remove this as well. Right, so up top here you can see where batteries go. You've got a power check. On the back is our USB-C port, and that is basically it. You have some rubber feet on the bottom to keep it nice and still. You've got some functions here, blinking lights with charging in progress, charging complete, non-rechargeable, current voltage, power sufficient, low battery and run out of power. And that's basically it there in a nutshell. Looks nice. So I'm actually going to just plug it in with my own cable first, see if that comes up. And there we have a display, and this flips open here, and you've got a button here, checking battery voltage. Scan the QR to share your eco impact. So that's pretty cool. So I'll just pop this away, and this. Check out some batteries. Okay. We shall just open it, and here is our battery here, all different colours, which is nice. And let's see what happens. So we'll take them all out. That's what they look like, and they're just the smaller ones in there. So this is where they will store, and this is where we're going to put them. So next we're going to pop them in like so, and you can see here that there's a light up on top. So this will do the full pack for you. Close it over and leave it there, and that's pretty much it there. But it looks like a nice little piece of kit there. So let's check the power check. Checking battery voltage 1.4, and that's it. And then you can scan that code again. So save money and planet. So I'll test out these batteries and run them out and see what happens there, and then recharge them. Right, so we're going to give you a look at this first of all on Kickstarter and what it's all about. And this is it here, the world's first all-in-one power solution, which recharges AA and AAA batteries, and you have a smart station here. So you get your own batteries in the box. You have a little video here which you can watch. You get a little price here. And this is it. You have a story and are on a mission to replace disposable batteries, or single-use batteries is what they call them as well, which is going on a lot in this world. Why they hate them, why they create so much waste, why NIMH rechargers aren't the solution. Low voltage, slow to charge, high self-discharge rate and low energy density. How they solved it. So they've outdated those batteries and these are new ones. So go zero waste and power better. 8 innovations, 3-in-1 smart power station, charge, test and organise. Stores up to 40 batteries, charges 8 at once, automatically detects non-rechargeable batteries, which you'll see in a minute. And you've got these ones here. No leakage, 1200 alkaline batteries for 1. 2 times charging speed, charge in 3 hours. Last 1.5 times longer. You've got an e-ink display on the box as well. And you've got 1.5 volts efficient storage. And that's pretty much it there. And what others have said about it. So here's the kind of battery times you're going to get here, and I've just tried to run some down here over the last week, which I'm having difficulty doing, I might add. And that's what you're looking at there. So you can see automatically there you're getting better battery life as well over your standard alkaline, which I buy quite a lot of, but I don't have to do so no more, so that's a good thing. And that's it. So they've got a CBPI structure and high density of lithium-ion. Linogy delivers 3600 milliwatts of power in a standard AA size. Built-in protection, anti-explosion, modular leakage ring and intelligent chip. Stays reliable no matter how often you use it. And this is the technology inside the battery here. And alkaline light curve, no sudden shutdowns. So you've got temperature or testing at 0.2 C discharge rate, cut off, and that's pretty much it there. You can see here on the graph of these batteries versus your traditional battery. So a lot of people will be buying this time of year, so this is something you should be getting, because you don't have to worry about running out and getting more. And that's it there. That's the flashlight test and your discharge rates and the power station which we have here, and that's pretty much it. So you've got this here, full charge in 3 hours, 6 hours of fully charge with the Linogy AA charging station. And traditional batteries will take 6, these take 3, so they're quicker all around. And that's pretty much it in there. So let's have another look at this little gadget here, and we will see, you can see yourself what it looks like and how things work. And here's more here and what you can save, which is pretty good, and also saves the planet, which a lot of people are trying to do these days. And that's pretty much it in there, what you can see. So it's made for parents, gamers, musicians, homeowners, outdoor enthusiasts and business use, and lots more. So you can use it, basically anyone can use them in whatever product they desire. You've got the little smart e-ink display, which is on the right hand side, which you would have seen in your unboxing there, and we'll show you that in action and what else you can do. And that's pretty much it on their Kickstarter page, which has been successful. And overall it's just a better battery than standard alkaline batteries. So I've angled this up at a different angle here, so you can see the lights up on top. And if you put one in here, you can check your voltage. And you can scan to share your eco impact. We're actually going to do that now while we're here with another phone. And this is what happened here. You'll open up this page and start your journey. And you can name your tree, so we'll go and do that. So once you name your tree, you can see and watch it grow like so and do all that. And this is what we have here, and you can share your impact from there. So that's pretty much it. So with this battery test here, you can see that it's not showing what it's supposed to show. This battery should be dead. Anyway, sorry, I have it in the wrong one. Fuck. You'll press and hold this button here on the back, and all the batteries drop in there. Isn't that cool? And you hear the mechanism going in there, and then you just pull them out, reassemble it again with more batteries if you have them. We've only just got what we were saying with it, but this can store a lot of batteries in here in this nice little drawer, which I think is pretty cool. And that's basically it and how it's going to work, and that's what you're going to get there with this. And pretty simple to use, pretty cool. Like this e-ink display, it's a simple product to use. You can store this anywhere and have it at your disposal and just slot your batteries in. Like, they just literally pop in like that, and when you're finished, just press and hold. You can see the mechanism going across there, which is pretty cool. And that's it, job is done. So we'll leave a link below to where you can pick her up, and thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Hello, Tim, and we're back, and we're going to have a look at all the stuff here. So this last card here, or last slot should I say, is a battery check. So you can pop in that battery there and look at this, the thing here. .06 volts. So that's what that'll tell you there. So then you can scan this QR code. What happens is then you can plant a tree, and you can name the tree after yourself, and then you can share it from there on in, like so. So what you can do is we press OK there, and you can see your tree growth journey through here as you go along. So that's basically how that's going to work. You just scan this QR code and bring it onto that page. So here is two that we've put into a light, and you see that's on orange, now it's green. Going to check that. 1.28, and this one should read the same because it was in the same light. .30, so it's a little bit small bit more in that. Right, going to move this back. Here's two out of a Wii remote control, which I've been playing for a few days. I want to see how much they've discharged. So I'm going to pop that in. And that's 1.30. So that's pretty much it. So that's what's left of them. So this one here, and this one here, and I think it's this one here, are all dead, or should be near dead or half dead, and these are all the full ones. So I'm going to pop them all in there, and you can see all the lights here, and they'll shine up on that there, and then you can just do a check on that there again, and you can check the battery voltage there, 1.29 on that again. And then the cool thing is when you're finished with them and when they'll charge. And we almost forgot, people are asking about these batteries here. In the box you get these adapters. So what you do is you pop this in here, pop this in here to this, and you close it up like so. Just make sure it's closed. Check the seal all around, and you can just pop it in there like that. So pretty cool, really nice touch there, and just pop them together, and it'll just fit in there. And that's pretty much it. Same thing again, I'll just pop this up here, and when it's charged, press this and hold it, or it'll drop out when it's done. And you can see there, I pushed that one too hard and it came through. But that's basically how that's going to work. See you in the next one, folks.